So now we're going to be inserting the 5/16 18 hole into the part. And for this purpose, you want the hole to be on center line of this arm right here. So the way that you achieve that is actually there's a multiple amount of ways to achieve it. However, what I'm going to be demonstrating today is taking a piece of round pin or material stock, making sure that I'm away from the clamp, and then I'm going to use a 2/1000 shim to place in between here. I'm going to go until I feel it pinch the shim stock against the face of the clamp. As soon as I feel it pinch, I'm going to remove the clamp, remove the shim stock, and I know that I am 2/1000 away from that face, so I'm going to raise my tool up. I know that this is a 3/8 pin, which means the center line of that pin is going to be 0.1875. I'm then going to center myself on the pin by moving over 187 thousandths and 5/10. Now I know I'm in direct center line on this face of the part. I'm going to now do the same thing from this side. I'll do it from the front so it's easier for you guys to see. So insert the shim stock. I feel it clamp. I'm going to back off just a hair and reclamp. Now I know it's setting right up against the shim stock. I'm going to lift the pin up, move over 2/1000. Then I'm going to move over 187 thousandths again. So now, just as the other face, center line of my pin is directly in line with this face of the part. So basically, this and this face are my X and Y 0. So in order for me to put our threaded hole in, I'm going to drill and tap a 5/16 18 hole, and it has to be 250 down and 2 inches and 125 thousandths from the edge, or other words, 2 3/8 of an inch away from the face. So we're going to go over an X 3/8 of an inch this way, and then we're going to go in 1/4 of an inch. So I'm going back to 0 on my X. So 187 thousandths, we're right at 0. And 187 thousandths in Y, we're at 0. So I'm going to 0 this up on Y and 0 this up in X. So the point of this spindle for the mill is directly in line with this point on the clamp. So now I'm going to go in 125 thousandths, which is half of the thickness of the clamp. Doesn't have to be completely exact. And then I'm going to go, my mistake, I'm going to go in another 125 thousandths because we need to be on direct center line at 250.